Local Memphis Live continues with your host, Amy Speropolous.
Welcome back to Local Memphis Live. Methodist South will be hosting a spring health fair this month, and Food Network star chef Aryen Moore will be showing people how to cook healthy meals. She joins us now in the kitchen to show us how to make Thai chicken lettuce wraps. Good morning.
Good morning.
To you,
How are you?
So great, and it smells so delicious. So let's get right to it.
Okay, so we're making a Thai chicken lettuce wrap, like you said.
Yes.
So what you want to start with is some ground chicken.
Okay.
And so we make our sauce, and we used all of these condiments over here: some rice wine vinegar, some peanut oil, some vegetable oil, ginger, all of the good stuff.
Okay.
And so what you want to do is kind of marinate your chicken. So we have it heating up, but this is just so you get all that delicious flavor, right? So we have our oil here, and we're just going to marinate our chicken just a little bit, and then we're just going to add it to our pan.
And you do exotic foods with a healthy twist.
Yes.
I love that.
Thank you.
It's absolutely so good. So we can get really all in one. It can all sizzle, I guess.
Yeah.
Tell me how you do that.
Well, you mean exotic flavors?
Yes.
So, well, Sweet Potato Baby is the name of my company.
Right.
So we do healthy foods with a twist, like you said.
Yes.
So all of our cupcakes have a fruit or a vegetable in each one. So our Sweet Potato Baby is made with sweet potatoes.
Yep.
Our red velvet's made with beets, and it keeps going. Our spinach, we have a mint chocolate chip made with spinach, and we just start infusing flavors with different fruits and vegetables, because we all know healthy eating is the way to go, right?
It is.
So it's what you put into your body that ultimately determines how well they function.
Absolutely.
And so,
Oh my gosh. And the Spring Health Fair is going to be so exciting, my friend.
Yes, it is. So the Whitehaven Healthy Community Day is this Saturday, April 9th.
Okay.
It's going to be at Methodist South.
Yeah, go ahead. You want me to do that?
So you know what? We're just letting it heat up. I guess we need to turn it up a notch. We got to be like Emerald and kick it up a notch.
I know, right. That's
the
right.
Methodist Healthy. I'll grab it for you. And then we're just, you know what we're going to do? We're going to add all of it. Usually I would saute it independently.
Ooh, it smells
We're just going to add it together.
That's
and you're going to get this deliciousness here. But like I said, it's this Saturday, April 9th.
Okay.
It's from 8 a.m. is the 5K race.
Okay.
And then at 8:30 is a healthy walk. So there are going to be free health screenings, fun activities for the kids, tons of things happening. And you want to be there, you know, because healthy eating is just as important as exercising and staying on top of your doctor's appointments.
It is indeed.
So yeah, so you got to come out. Methodist Hospital.
There
it's
we
in
go,
Whitehaven.
girl.
Yeah,
Ryan,
it's cooking now.
Yes,
we got grease. We got grease.
I know. and what else was cooking? Hey, your appearance on the Food Network channel.
Yeah.
How did that go?
Oh my God, it was amazing. It was one of the, I guess, one of the most thrilling things I've ever done in my life.
Right.
Being on live television, well, reality TV, being judged by Alton Brown, Giada De Laurentiis, and Bobby Flay. He's amazing. They're amazing. They're really great. Yeah.
So wonderful. Was there a favorite experience that you took away from that? Or
you know what? Meeting all of these chefs from around the world, that just have a different, unique culinary perspective. Just gaining that knowledge from them. I mean, it's flowed into everything else that I've done since the show.
I love it.
So I mean, I pushed myself because of that, and I also teach now. So I teach culinary arts.
That's so fabulous,
so I
my
teach
friend.
twice a week. But you know, if you want to learn how to do this, I'll be giving a healthy cooking demonstration there.
Okay.
So that is going to be live, and then there'll also be different things going on. It goes until noon, so it's 8 to noon at Methodist South Hospital. Whitehaven Healthy Community Day, and so it's for the community to join us. You know, to learn about living their healthiest life.
I love it. Ooh, let's look at this lettuce wrap.
So this is what it looks like once you're done.
Now look at this. This is my husband's.
Sriracha.
Oh my gosh,
right?
honey.
And you can add anything to it. That's the beauty of these things. You know, the flavor is you have sriracha, you have garlic, you have ginger, you have water chestnuts that gives that crunch. You have red bell pepper, you have green onions.
This is so.
You can just sit and just,
honey, if
you know, you just walk past and eat it. I know, right? Like just walk past.
And how much better are the lettuce wraps than bread or anything like that?
It's lower carb. That's what I like to say. And this is ground chicken. You can use ground beef. You can use ground turkey. You can use different things. But you can also stuff it into a portobello mushroom. So you can have that and you can grill it.
Yummy. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to have a snack and we'll be back with you. That's right. We'll be back with you after the break.
Thank you.
Oh, love.
Forever, life is full of stories. Tell yours.
Hi, I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, with your organized in 60 seconds tip of the day. Do you have remotes lying all over your living room? Are you constantly looking for the remote for your DVD player? If so, I've got a few great tips to help you tame your remote clutter. Use a decorative basket or tray on top of your coffee table to store all of your remotes. Storing them all in one location will prevent them from being misplaced. Or you could try using a universal remote. There are several